Want to increase your sales through Google? Digital marketing is the most efficient method to grow your business and reach your audience throughout the world. Google is the leading search engine used by billions worldwide, making it the ideal breeding ground for your business. However, several businesses struggle to make sure their content reaches the right methods. IT company Google Ads Services provides a one-stop solution to make sure your content is always directed to the right audience. Our experts use detailed customer insight, depth keyword search, and content-driven optimization techniques to achieve this goal. Our experience in the field ensures that our clients' trust remains sacred. We provide regular reports and analytics on how the ads are performing. Specialists then evaluate these reports to prioritize improvement for your business. We are a company that understands how to get you to the top of the first page of Google search results. At IT Company, we possess the latest services and products best suited to our clients' business. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. Through our services, we ensure the trust of our customers. Our dedicated team deeply analyzes our monthly marketing reports and analytics, looking for every opportunity to take your business to the next level. With our Google Ads Management service, we make sure to get targeted traffic to your website. We provide the necessary boost your company needs to get to the top. Worry no more. IT Company's Google Ads services will get your business the results you want.